Hello mga langga, ayan, it's me again, Bibs, and for today's video guys, ayan, tinolang isda ko guys, for dinner, so ayan, ang sarap, talakitok pala tong isda na to guys, talakitok, so ayan, sarap. Sarap. Ayan, ginagawa kong tanglad, sili, sibuyas, kamatis. Siyempre, yung ating pangmalakasang pangtimpla. Ayan, sarap. Ayan, chibuga na guys. And yan lang. Bye guys.